Hey, Matt here with Generac. Today we're going to be going through setting up field boundaries in a Viper 4. So come join me as we go through the steps to make it easier for you when you're ready to go to the field. So now that we're in the Viper and we've started a job, you'll want to click on the Scout tab. Once we're in a Scout tab, we have a couple things that we need to fill out. So it will automatically create an active group on top, and then the next option is Scout feature type, and we'll leave it on field boundary because we're going to go around the outside of the field. We'll leave the name as field boundary. You can change that if you'd like. Next down we have color, and so that's going to be the color of the boundary on the screen. So I like to switch it to black so we can see it. The point recording mode we'll leave on auto point capture. That way when you're done with the boundary, if you're not exactly lined up, once you hit save, it will automatically complete the boundary. Our shift recording point, next one down, we'll want to, depending on if you're going around with your left boom around the edge of the field or the right boom around the edge of the field, you'll click left or right here, so I'll click it to the right. And the override shift distance will automatically put in 33.8 or whatever half of your boom width is. If you'd like to adjust that, you can hit the override and adjust the number, but we'll leave it on the 33.8. Next, we'll leave the create boundary from work order. That's going to be the normal setting for going around the field. And now we'll hit the red button at the bottom to start recording. Now if you're backed into a corner, to actually start the recording process, you'll click on the widget for the Scout, and it'll be the red square with the red button. I'll click on that, and then we'll start going around the edge of the field. You see the black line on the right, that's where we're making the boundary. So you can drive the whole border of the field. At any time, if you want to pause the boundary, if you need to back into a corner, you can hit the pause button and then you can line back up, or you can also take off and go to the next corner and not actually record until you get to the next corner, and then that will guarantee that you have a straight line. So we'll get to the next corner of the field. And we can stop, and we can hit play, and that'll make a straight line. And then we can continue on, and we will close up this field here. Once you're close, you can stop, and then hit the save button, and that'll complete the boundary. That completes the process of setting up a field boundary in the Viper 4. If you have any more questions, please reach out to Generac.